Should be looking at screen. Oh man.
On.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Tarrant County in north central Texas, West Central Dallas County in north central Texas until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen and an additional 1 to 2 inches are possible. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and cause flash flooding. Low-lying areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. Some low-water crossings may flood and become impassable. Some locations that will experience flooding include Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Euless, Bedford, Haltom City, Hearst, Watauga, Colleyville, Richland Hills, North Richland Hills, and Pantego. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.